video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to activate, set up, and then train your first WhatsApp AI assistant. So let's get into it right now. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to open my WhatsApp business mobile application. So for you to actually set up this WhatsApp AI assistant on your mobile phone, you have to have WhatsApp business mobile app installed in your phone. And if it is installed in your phone, please make sure you check out to confirm that it is actually the latest version of the mobile application. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my WhatsApp mobile application, WhatsApp business mobile application, not the normal WhatsApp, to open it. Here I am on my WhatsApp business. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is that to activate and train my AI model, because my AI agents will be getting a lot of infos and information from my WhatsApp business profile. I'm going to go ahead and then optimize my WhatsApp business profile first before going ahead to activate and train the WhatsApp AI assistant. So I'm going to go ahead and click on tools. You click on tools on my WhatsApp business application, and then from tools, as you can see manage your accounts profile, manage address, hours, and website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on profile. And then as you can see here, I've already added my profile picture. I've added my business logo, and then the cover photo. I've also added a very good picture. So I would recommend you do same with yours. If your WhatsApp business account is mainly for business, of course you should use your business logo. And then you can go ahead as you scroll down. As the business information, then you have to add your business name. Yeah, you use your business name, so you just have to input your business name there, and then you have to choose your business category, and then you just choose the one that applies to your business. So, and then another thing you have to do is to choose who your business hours. Then your business hours, you can choose open for selected hours, always open, anyone that goes hand in hand with your business or that fits in perfectly with your schedule and your business schedule and all of that. You go ahead and choose that. And then your business description, and then you just go ahead and input your business description by clicking on it. And then your business address, you just click on address as well, and then you input your business address. You can also choose to pinpoint your address on the map. That is still fine, anyone that is okay by you. And then your products and services, you go ahead and add products to your catalog, your WhatsApp catalog, by just clicking on catalog. Then I've added only one product to my catalog here, so you just have to follow a very simple procedure. I'm not going to be showing that in this video. So you just click on this plus icon right here, or you just click on add new item. Anyone you click will take you to your photo gallery to actually choose your product image, and then you add the price, description, and every other stuff, and then you send the product for review. WhatsApp will review it and then approve. It normally takes within just a few minutes also. So we are gonna go ahead, and then links. You can input, if you have a website, you can input a link to your website, and then if you have Instagram account, you can connect it, your WhatsApp business account, your Instagram, Facebook, any of them. And then contact info, you can add your email address and then your mobile phone number. That's all about optimizing your WhatsApp business profile. So the next thing now, we are going to go ahead and then activate and create a WhatsApp business AI assistant. So to do that, we are going to go back to tools. I'm still right here on tools, and then as you can see, AI agents use Meta Business Agent to respond to your customers 24/7. So this particular feature is not actually available to all users yet. That is why you need to update your WhatsApp business application to actually check if it's available for in your account. So if it's available in your account, good for you. If it's not available in your account, you can still proceed to watch the video to learn how you can actually set up this AI agent, so that when once it's available to you, you can actually do it without having to go and in search of a video that will actually teach you on how to do it again. So to get started, I'm just gonna click on AI agent. Then right here, AI agent. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on create AI agent. Then you have to verify with your fingerprint or face ID, anyone that your mobile phone accepts. Then we are actually setting up our AI agent right now. Here we go. Yeah, we have successfully created our AI agent. So now we are being asked here, use past chat to show your AI agent how you answer questions. It's recommended you use past chat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next. But that is, if that's not okay by you, you can also choose ignore past chats, but I recommend you choose or you allow your AI agent to have access to your past chats so that you can reply better, can learn from it and reply better to customers. Yes, here we go. Our AI agents have successfully been created. So what we are going to be doing now is to train our AI agent. Obviously turn off my AI agent, so I'm going to turn it on so I can actually train my AI agent. So I've successfully turned on my AI agent. So now what I'm going to be showing you guys next is how you can actually train your AI agent. So let's get into that. So right here, I'm going to be showing you guys a template, a business information template that you can actually use to train your AI agent with both. I'm going to be sharing both the prompts and everything. It's going to be in the description of this video, so you don't have to worry about it. So right here you can see this is the master prompt. So here is where the master prompt ends, and you can clearly see here below is my completed business knowledge template. So I'm going to be sharing the master prompt separate from the business knowledge template. So the business knowledge templates, I've already pre-filled this one and I'm going to be using in this tutorial. So this business knowledge template, you are going to be filling business knowledge templates with your business information. So right here you see business name. I've filled my business name as base gadgets, and then business categories. Then you add all of that. You have to fill these business templates with your business information accurately, because your AI agent will be learning from the information you give to it. So you have to make it very accurate, and these business templates will help you to actually give AI agent enough information that it needs to provide or to serve your customers better, or to better respond to your customers. Anyone. I'm going to be sharing the business template different and then the master prompt differently. So what you have to do is, after when you are done filling the business template, all you have to do is just to merge the business templates and then the master prompt together, and then you copy both of them once. Then I'm not gonna be doing that in this video, but what you have to do is, I've already meshed the business template and the master prompt. I'm just gonna click on it and then copy the whole master prompts and the template. Then I'm going to go ahead to any AI, generative AI model you have in your mobile phone, be it ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI, anyone you have. You just need to copy the master prompt and the together with the template, and then you go ahead and just paste it on any generative AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, any of them, and then generative AI is going to give you the training, should I say, call it training data that you are going to paste directly to your WhatsApp AI agent, and then it will learn from it to better respond to customers. So I'm going to go back to my AI agent right now. And then as you can see here, my AI agent already learns from my business profile and then my catalog and then every other information that I've provided in my business profile. So what you have to do is that when you copy the business template, whether with the master prompt, paste it in any AI, generative AI, and then get the full knowledge base for your business. You just have to copy the full knowledge base of your business from that generative AI, and then you just have to come directly to this chat that has your AI agent written on top, and then you just have to paste it right here. You'll have to paste it here and then send. Your AI agent will extract the key information from that business knowledge base, and that your business knowledge base that you just pasted here, and then it will use it in responding to customers. So what you have to know about training your AI agent is that it's not a one-off something, it's a continuous stuff, and your AI agent will actually be suggesting improvements or suggesting information that it thinks that it needs to respond better to your customer. Because so we are just going to go ahead and test our AI agent. Then right here you also have some stuff here that you can choose to fill in, but with the knowledge base, the AI agent will extract whatsoever it needs right from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click. Okay, let me just show you guys how to actually do this. What your AI agent can do: ask for customer info. I'm just going to go ahead and click on ask for customer info. So what information do you want your AI agent to actually get from your customers? So that is what you actually do here. So for you to do that, you just have to click on this plus icon, and then when should your AI agent ask for customer information? Is it as soon as a new chat begins, when someone is ready to buy, when someone asks about blah blah blah? So you just have to choose any one that fits in with your business. So maybe I'm just going for my business, I'm just going to choose when someone is ready to buy. So I'm going to click on next, and then what are the information do you want your AI agent to get from your customers? This is already pre-filled here: name, delivery address, what products or services. So if you have any other information you want your AI agent to actually get from your customers, so you can just do that by clicking on add more info. So I'm just going to save this. So here we go, we are done. You can also add information you want your AI agent to actually get from your customers. So I'm going to go back right here and then book customer appointments. So here you have to connect your AI agent to your Google Calendar, so you can actually manage your schedules and appointments, and you also can schedule appointment for your customers and all of that. So to do that is very simple. You just have to click on connect Google Calendar. I'm not going to be doing that in this video. You can do that if you need it. So, and then the major thing, I also have to show you guys how you can actually pause your AI agent or deactivate or disconnect your AI agent. What you have to do is you have to click on AI responses, ways to control your AI. Click on AI responses, and then as you can see on the screen, you can select which chats you want your AI to respond to. You can select all new one-to-one chats, one versus one chat, a set with contacts, one versus one chat with from ads, or pause but learning. And then there's another alternative here to disconnect your AI agent. So this is where you can actually disconnect your AI agent. All you have to do is just click on disconnect AI, and then you follow the normal prompt, and then you disconnect your AI agent, and automatically stops it from functioning or responding to customers. So right now I've actually paused my AI agent, but it's still learning from my chats. And then you have connections. You can actually connect your AI agent to your Google Drive. If you have files that your AI agent can actually learn from, you can also do that by give your AI agent access to those files by connecting your AI agent to your Google Drive. And then instructions, all the instructions and many others, your AI agent will actually get them from the knowledge base you'll be generating from ChatGPT or Gemini using the AI knowledge template that I'm going to be sharing in the description of this video. So that's all about creating and training your AI agents or WhatsApp AI assistant. So I'm just going to go ahead and test my AI. So to do that, I'm just going to click on test your AI. Then here we go. So there are sample questions here for you to just use to test your AI. So I'm just gonna click on one of them. As you can see, this is a sample question and answer, or sample communication between your AI agent and a customer if a customer asks this particular question. So another stuff I'm gonna be showing you guys is how you can actually turn off your AI agent for a particular chat. You just have to click on my reply right here. So right now, I'm actually the one replying, but if you want your AI agent to handle that particular customer, you can actually do that by just clicking on AI, choosing AI agent. AI writes and send messages for you. So I'm just going to click on that. So right now, if this particular customer sends a message to me, my AI agent is going to respond to that customer. So that is basically how you can actually turn on and then turn off your AI agent for a particular chat. But your AI agent will automatically be on for all the chats depending on what you choose while selecting how your AI agent can actually respond to customers. If you choose all one versus one chats except from contacts, your AI agent will automatically be turned on for all chats that except that of your contacts. So that's all about how you can actually optimize your WhatsApp business profile, activate your WhatsApp business AI assistant, and then train it and make it ready to respond to your customers. Don't forget to like this video, share it to people you feel that will be in need of this video. Thanks again. Bye.